Let's be honest, most organizations aren't wired to win. They're wired to survive, to get through the week, to protect status quo and avoid conflict. In Wiring the Winning Organization, authors Gene Kim, Dr. Stephen Spear, and Andre Martin explain why so many companies operate like they're flying blind. Fragmented systems, slow feedback, and outdated structure. They're right, but awareness isn't enough. Winning organizations must be intentionally rewired. This isn't an IT project, it's a leadership challenge. Start with this truth: your organization is perfectly wired to get the results it's currently getting. If you want better outcomes, you'll need to change how your people think, decide, and act. So, what does winning wiring look like? Structural courage. If your org chart protects politics more than performance, you've got a problem. Winning teams flatten layers and speed up decisions. Culture as current. Culture isn't what's written, it's what's tolerated. Consistency is the circuit breaker. Alignment as superpower. Confusion kills performance. Everyone, from frontline to leadership, should know what winning looks like right now. Speed by design. Speed is a leadership decision. It's built on trust and clarity, not more software. Hardwired accountability. Normalize hard conversations. Protect your top performers from carrying the load alone. Reality-based structure. Influence without title. Promote it. Ignore it, and you'll lose the informal leaders who make things happen. Cross-functional flow. Siloed excellence is wasted if value doesn't flow across teams. Adaptability over efficiency. In today's world, the most agile teams win, period. Bottom line, you don't stumble into high performance, you wire for it. And that wiring begins with leadership bold enough to re engineer everything.